Hi there. The Sony WH H900N headphones are of good quality. I'm using it for a month now and I'm very satisfied with these. Connecting to Bluetooth and operating them from the two buttons they have is quite easy. The noise cancellation feature is very handy, nice too, pretty useful. The on-air touch sensor is very handy. I mean, you can manage distractions easily with using them. I don't feel any pressure on my head even if using them for a couple of hours, and overall I like them and would recommend in the price range they are.